Hi friends, welcome to the Forgotten Lore. How are you? I believe all of you are fine. I am also fine. Everything is fine. All is well. Come on friends, today let us enter inside our channel The Forgotten Lore. Dear friends, today we are going to discuss about this plant. This plant is popularly known as guar or cluster bean. The scientific name of this plant is Cymopsis tetragonoloba, which belongs to the family Leguminosae. That is Fabaceae family. This plant, since this plant is a legume, it is highly used in rotation of crops, that is in cultivation. For crop rotation cycle, this plant is commonly used, and it has a symbiotic relationship with nitrogen fixing bacteria. In most of the places, this plant is cultivated for its valuable gum, which is obtained from its seeds, which is known as guar gum. Other than this legume is used as a vegetable by human beings, and it is also used as animal feed with a high nutrition value. So today we are going to discuss about the nutritional facts, the health benefits, a special recipe, and the medicinal properties of this plant. When we take this legume as a vegetable by human beings, both the edges of this pod have to be removed. So by doing so, the fiber on both the sides are removed. In southern part of India, this plant, this vegetable is consumed, and it is commonly known as sweet bean. ಪುರಿಂಜಿತೆ ಈಗ ನಾನು cutting both the edges of this legume, I am cutting it into little bit lengthier pieces. Now I am going to steam boil this cut vegetable. With the vegetable, I am adding the needed quantity of salt, turmeric powder and chili powder. We have to mix it thoroughly and properly so that it will get cooked nicely. We need not add more water. We have to sprinkle little quantity of water. Otherwise, the water which is retained in the vegetable while washing, that itself is enough. I am pressure cooking it. It got cooked nicely. The vegetables have become soft. So they have absorbed salt and the chili pepper taste. So with this, for the preparation of the dish, with this I am going to add garlic. We have to crush this garlic. We need not peel it. So the crushed garlic I am going to use, and for this dish we have to add the roasted rice powder. So now I have taken 1 spoon of rice, parboiled rice, and I am dry roasting it. So after dry roasted, we will get the nice flavor, and the color of the rice also will change. So till that time we have to fry it in slow heat or in slow flame. It should not get charred. It has to turn little brownish. To prepare the dish, I have placed the vessel. I have added 1 spoon of coconut oil. With that, little mustard I have added, and with this necessarily we have to add cumin also for seasoning. So this increases flavor, and also it improves digestion of this. So I have added 1 spoonful of cumin for seasoning. And for this dish, another needed ingredient is green gram dal. It should be with the seed coat. So with this, I am adding the crushed garlic. The crushed garlic we have to add, and we have to fry it until we get the nice aroma. The color of the garlic, it has to change a little so that the dish will become delicious. So with this I am adding the boiled, that is the cooked cluster bean pieces. We have to toss it nicely and mix thoroughly with the other ingredients. See friends, we did not add more water, but the water which was present in the vegetable itself is enough. So we got the vegetable got cooked nicely with that water. So now almost the dish is done. With this I am adding the dry roasted rice powder. We have to mix it thoroughly with the dish. It will increase the taste and deliciousness of the dish. This is nothing but a simple cluster bean stir fry only. But the way of preparation is little bit different. To enhance the taste, I have made like this. This one we can take with the plain rice, plain white rice. Otherwise it can be taken along with roti, chapati, puri, or with rice porridge. Now I am going to take it with the white plain rice, and it increases the deliciousness. So the food is ready friends. Come on, let us taste and enjoy. With the same cluster bean, I am going to show another recipe of a delicious food. So this is known as cluster bean tayir kutan. So for that preparation we have to cut the cluster bean into little bit smaller pieces. Now to prepare the dish I have kept the vessel. So in that 1 spoon of coconut oil I have added. So now the oil is hot enough. So first we have to add a piece of asafoetida. So the asafoetida, it will get roasted in the hot oil. And with that we have to add mustard seeds. They have to splatter. So along with that, again with this also I am adding cumin seeds. For any preparation by using this cluster bean, we have to add cumin, that is jeera, and again crushed garlic. This will promote the digestion process. So with this only 2 green chilies, long slit green chilies I have added. I am roasting it thoroughly to get the nice aroma. With this we have to add the small pieces of the cluster bean, that is the gar pieces. Stir it nicely. We have to add a little quantity of water so that it will get cooked nicely. Needed quantity of salt also I have added. And turmeric powder. For hotness already we have added green chilies, so we need not add chili powder. Only turmeric powder and salt is enough. With that I have added water and close it for a while to get cooked. Now the water has started to boil, but it has to be cooked. So with this, after the vegetable got cooked nicely, with this I am going to add a cupful of curd. So now it got cooked nicely, so I am switching off the stove. Now it is time to add the curd. Before adding the curd, we have to switch off the stove. So after adding the curd, mix it thoroughly. Now we will get delicious and nice aroma. So now the food is ready. This also can be taken along with plain rice or chapati or dosa, idli or roti. So come on friends, let us enjoy the food. After tasting the food, we will discuss about the health benefits and medicinal properties of this cluster bean. In South India, this cluster bean is known as kottavarangai or chini avarakkai, which means cluster beans, and chini avarakkai means sweet beans. And it is in some other parts of India, it is known as gori chikudu or chikudukai also. These vegetables are collected at tender stage and they are taken as a vegetable. The mature parts are collected to obtain the seeds. Coming to the nutritional facts of this cluster bean, it is rich in calcium, iron, phosphorus and vitamins, particularly vitamin C, which is in the form of ascorbic acid, and vitamin A. All these are rich in this cluster bean, young, that means in case of tender parts, and it is rich in dietary fiber. This cluster bean is low in calories and it is very good in decreasing the blood sugar level as well as the cholesterol levels. Since it is a bean, it is rich in protein also. It has different kinds of vitamins, namely vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, folates, and abundant quantity of carbohydrates are present in this one. And it is a very good remedy for anemia, and it is recommended for diabetic patients also. Since it is high in dietary fiber, it plays a very good role and important role in maintaining the health of our heart. And since it is rich in calcium, it makes our bones strong, and it is very good for blood circulation. Since it is rich in iron, it enhances the hemoglobin content, so that it enhances the oxygen carrying capacity of our blood. Since it is rich in dietary fiber, it is good for our bowel movement, and some elderly people say that regular consumption of this vegetable throughout all the poisonous and dangerous material which are accumulated inside our stomach. Since it is rich in folic acid, it is very good for pregnant women. It is one of the fat-free vegetable, and it has the capacity to maintain our blood pressure. These vegetables contain hypolipidemic and hypoglycemic properties, so that it is a very good remedy to the people who are suffering from hypertension, and it makes our brain calm. So friends, thank you for watching the video patiently. Whenever you get time, kindly watch all my videos and give me your precious comments and feedback in the comment section, so that I can improve my channel and my way of presentation. Kindly support me and encourage me by supporting and subscribing my channel. So friends, meet you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. See you. Bye bye. Best wishes.